Okay, this is a tutorial to show you how to attach the Jane harness cord and make the knot. This is a very important knot to get it right, because if you don't have it right, then your harness will slip, the cord will slip, and it's a common mistake. We start by from the inside, putting the cord through the hole, then you go around the back and then through the hole. There's little notches right here and on the back side. Make sure the cord is in that spot. Then when you need to adjust the height, you can just pull like that and get the height to the correct position. If you need to lower it, you can just pull a little bit down and it goes a little lower. Pull a little back and it goes a little lower. Pull a little like that and it'll tighten. Give it a good yank to tighten it. Adjust again until your harness is the right height, and all the harnesses should actually be even. I'll have to go through and make some adjustments here. So